right, so we're gonna go to the powder coating store. We're gonna get some powder. I think it's something graphite, carbon graphite powder, I believe, for my buddy Josh. He needs his wheels powder coated for his Audi, so I'm excited to do that for him. Yeah, and we might pick up some, what is it called, acid, the wheel stripper, pretty much. See if they have any acid at the store. I don't know. I've only been there once. I bought a few powders, but we're still kind of starting, still kind of learning. So we're gonna try buying some acid. Hopefully it's not too expensive. And we just pick it up for cheap, you know, whatever. I don't know how much expensive it is. You know, if it's 200 bucks for some acid, we'll do that. And we got to pick up a container also for the wheels, so we can dunk them in there. He wants the face of it and he wants the barrel of the wheels powder coated, so we have to strip everything or sandblast everything. So yeah, we'll see how expensive the wheel stripper is, and then we'll see how expensive some coarser sand, because the sandblaster is just not coarse enough. The sand, I think it's glass. I think we bought glass, not sand. So yeah, we're gonna give it a try. Kind of talk to the lady, see what she thinks is better, see what thing works better, a little quicker, because it's the weekend. I want to get it done by the weekend, and yeah, get the wheels back to them. So stay tuned. Back at the shop, we're gonna be powder coating these wheels right here, 18s. You just got some new tires on them, so we're gonna dismount those. Yeah, he wants some gray. He has a silver car. These are kind of bronze, I think. Oh, that's the curb brush he was talking about. Okay, right here too. So we got to fix this curb rash here. Nothing bad. I'm actually surprised. I thought it was gonna be worse. So this is really easy. It's a flat lip here, so it'll be super easy to clean that up. And it's not deep at all. So yeah, not bad. I just moved them down there. This one has nothing on it, and then this one also no curb rash, so perfect, nice. Nothing crazy on these. It's just have to do the whole barrel and everything. It's a lot of sandblasting. In our sandblaster, the glass, the sand isn't so coarse, but oh, there's a little nick here too. I don't know if I'll be able to fix that. It's kind of deep. But I'll try fixing that guy. So yeah, all good. We're gonna unmount the wheels or the tires, and then start sandblasting away. Pretty much it, nothing to it. Take these out too. Yeah, the full black ones, okay, gotta remember that. But cool, sounds like a plan. So just got them unmounted, everything's good. We're gonna take these valve stems off. Pretty badass wheel, man. I'm gonna take these center caps out, of course. Cut these guys off, the valve stems, just cut them off, pull them out. Just get new ones, even though these are pretty new, but yeah. So we're gonna throw them in the sandblaster, get them all blasted out, and then I tried to go pick up some powder coat today, but they were closed because they swapped companies. I guess they're not open on Saturdays no more. So yeah, so it is what it is. I got to pick them up Monday, the powder, and then I want to see if they have the wheel strip there, or if any other I'm going to go look around online, see if any other place that's open that has the wheel strip, because that would be better if these don't come off easy, which I think they won't, because like a 2-layer, because they have the powder coat finish on the bottom, and then they finish it with this coating, so it might be very difficult to take off with the powder, the sandblaster. So we'll see. If it doesn't come off easy, then we're gonna be searching for some wheel stripper, and hopefully pick it up, and we can get a little metal bin and throw them in there, soak them in, because I got to get the barrel too, and that's a lot of sandblasting, not gonna lie. But we'll see how easy it comes off. We're gonna test it out right now. I'm gonna bleed the water through all the air hoses so there's no water in there, and yeah, get it done. But yeah, get the water pretty much out of the hoses. I don't want to be on this side of it, but yeah. I already did the big water one inside, and this little guy too has a filter. All that. Now there's a filter here for sandblaster. So yeah, Anything in there? Nope, it's clean. That's good. Check out the sand. It's all on that side where the pickup tube is. And we should be good. All right, so you know how I told you guys that the sand on the sandblaster is really weak, really fine. So I've sandblasted a little bit. I was getting at it, and that's all I got right there. I mean, it was only like, you know, a couple minutes, but I was doing it, and I'm just like, literally, that's bare metal there. So I was doing it, and I'm like, it's gonna take too long. And I tried looking around. All the powder coating stores are closed. So I'm gonna try out some aircraft remover. So I got some aircraft remover from Clean Strip, I guess, or whatever their company is. And then I got some aircraft remover from Rust-oleum. AutoZone, O'Reilly's. I can't believe they actually had it because this stuff goes quick. I was gonna buy the 1 gallon, but it was like 70 bucks. I'm like, I remember using this one time and it worked pretty well. So that's what we're gonna use on these rims. We're gonna aircraft remove them, get the barrel, get the outside, leave them there. I think it's about, what, 20 minutes, and check them out. Keep on spraying them down. I got a can for everybody, so I'm gonna try, you know, 2 cans, or a can of the aircraft and Rust-oleum. We're gonna see which one works better, the Rust-oleum ones or the Clean Strip aircraft one on the rims. So yeah, let's test them out. All right, so let's spray the aircraft remover at Rust-oleum one. You already know there's a little braking ball in there. Shake it up nice. I think it's gonna be weaker, so we're gonna throw it on. It doesn't matter. Let's throw it on this rim here. Oh, nope, it's thick. I thought it was gonna be more liquidy, but nope, it's pretty thick. Throw it on the face. Try using up most of it. Oh man, this stuff is weird. It comes out weird. Get all the thing. We'll do the barrel last probably. I'm just gonna get this thing all coming off. Hopefully it works pretty well. Maybe I should put it in the shade. The sun might affect that drying. Get it on even, nicely. Flip. Yeah, inside here. Maybe I should put him in the shade. I don't know where though, maybe over there. Hopefully it works, huh? I'm really hoping, at least get most of it off. And I could just finish it off with the sandblaster. And then let's get the aircraft. I used this stuff before, I know it works pretty well. Let's spray this. Much more thin. Wow, I was wrong, that's way thicker. Let's spray this stuff on. This stuff is like water. Oh, did you just clog up? Oh, there it goes. Let's have a try. Dang, I don't know which. Oh man, more potent for sure. This one. This stuff. Oh man, this thing's failing me. Doesn't want to spray. There it goes. Come on. It's not that hard to spray, man. You gotta be kidding me. There it goes. Literally, I went to O'Reilly's and then I got these two from O'Reilly's, the aircraft, the Clean Strip one, and then I got those from AutoZone. So there you go. That's the difference. This one's much more thinner. This one just bubbles up with all the things. That's the difference. It's something, they're for sure a different product, you know. They didn't just copy it. And see which one works better, time-wise and stripping-wise. All right, we're back at it. So it's been a little while, probably an hour, maybe a little longer. Aircraft remover, the Clean Strip. This stuff doesn't work too well for rims, I'll tell you that much. All this I'm removing here, that's because I sprayed some of the Rust-oleum aircraft remover onto there. I had high hopes for this, not gonna lie. Very disappointed. I thought I was gonna strip it way more easier. But yeah, it's not stripping it at all. Like I know I let it dry, but literally it just dries. Like it doesn't do anything. But this stuff, it's still wet. You see, it's like still gooey. You know, it sprays on there thick, and literally it just comes right off. I mean, it sucks that you have to scrape it. It doesn't bubble. I thought I could get the power washer and just power wash it off. I might be able to, but I'm gonna keep it on there. I'm gonna scrape it all off. But yeah, this one I bought, it was more expensive. I think for 2 bottles like 35 bucks, and that was 45 bucks. So it was $10 more expensive for the quick clean or quick, what is it? Forgot. Quick strip one. Yeah, I don't know. Cheaper, better, Rust-oleum aircraft remover. I'll probably buy this every single time. I was really doubting it because I thought it was thin. The ball's in there, and you know, when there's a ball in there, it's usually thicker stuff like spray glue and like this. Quick strip aircraft remover. It's thicker. Well, I thought it was going to be, but it's actually thinner. And then this stuff came out thicker. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with this Rust-oleum. Way better, in my opinion. As you can see, I tested it. This stuff is still thick. It's still eating away at the paint as we speak. This one just dries up and doesn't do anything. Just turns white, dries up, and I don't know. I'll probably only do it for like car paint or something like that. That's what it's probably made for. But wheels, rim wise, I would for sure go with this Rust-oleum one. Cheaper, better. It sticks on there, and it keeps on eating away at the rim. So yeah, there's the review, man. I'm just gonna keep on cleaning them up. I'm gonna flip them, do the barrels. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean these both up, and those two are next. It's taking a little longer than I expected, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. I could see that the acid, whatever, the quick strip is cleaner. You can see the metal, it's much cleaner. It comes off much cleaner. You can see like the shadow, the reflection comes off cleaner than the sandblaster. But yeah, I still got to sandblast it, of course, but yeah, I'm for sure gonna invest in some acid, so I could throw these all in acid and they'll just clean them all the way up real nice and easy. So yeah, we're gonna invest in some acid, and yeah, there's your little review. Let's keep on going. So we're just finished up cleaning these guys up. They're all powdered, sandblasted. We're just gonna wash them with some soap and water, and rinse them down, and yeah, set them up on the rack and dry them off, and then start powder coating them. So we got one coated. It's chilling on the rack. We got another one preheating in there. We're gonna take it out, hit it, and then set it on top of this one, and then we're gonna roll all of them in and let them all heat up at the same time. So we're just saving time like that. I kind of wish we had another rack so we could all heat them up, take them off, coat them, throw them on the rack, coat it, throw it on the rack, kind of like that would be cool too, but kind of just gonna do it like this for now. But yeah, it's going pretty good. This one kind of had too much, had to blow some off and all that stuff, but so far so good. So here's the wheels. Kind of, these two are okay, they're pretty good. That one's better than that one. I just got better and better throughout, you know, my time powder coating. These are the first two I did. I already threw that one in the booth. But I think I need to fix this orange peel here. I just laid it down too thick, and I knew it was too thick. I don't know why I didn't blow it off and redo it. Well, I did actually. This one I did. It came out the gun way weird, so I blew it off. I redid it, and it still came out too thick. These are fine, you know. These, well, even this one's a little bit right here, but yeah, it's just the face right here and this face is just too thick, and the inner barrel here is just too thick, and it's just orange peel. I don't know what to do. You can kind of see it better if you turn it. Kind of see that. Yeah, this looks disgusting. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna sandblast it, like half of the wheel, pretty much right here. Boom, sandblast all this, and then recoat it, and then see how it blends here. I don't know if you can do that, but I'm gonna give it a shot because I don't want to sandblast all these all the way through again and redo it. And yeah, so we're gonna give it a shot. But other than that, they look good. These two look pretty good. I just wish it was easier to take that other paint off, because it took a while to take that other coating off. And prepping it just took a while. But yeah, kind of sucks, but you know, live and you learn. You just have to make sure it looks nice before you even put it in the oven, because it can turn out bad. And yeah, but other than that, let's get these re-blasted and recoated, I guess. So I just mounted them, two of them that were the good ones. Yeah, they mounted up pretty easily. Got kind of the hang of it with the tire machine. So yeah, they look good. They're gonna have these red RS center caps. I'm gonna clean up the edge because it's all the goop and stuff. But yeah, they look pretty nice. They're like gunmetal. They look good on the silver car. It's a little lighter silver car, Audi, and yeah, a little darker wheels. Not too shabby.